So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the DC motor within the everycircuit.com online simulator. So how we can do that, you can see that we have a lot of options like AC source, this voltage source, this current source, resistor, and all these devices are there. So we will try to see our motor, where our motor is located. And here you can see this our motor sign with the M, that is, this is our DC motor because it is written positive and negative. So it is a DC motor. Now we will try to go to its properties and we will see that it used to operate on the 6 volt. Okay, now after this has been done, we will take our voltage source, which is this DC voltage source. And now we will try to operate this motor with the help of this DC source. We also need to take one push button, where it is. So this is our push button. Now we have to place this push button in series with that of both of these devices, that is battery or voltage source and the what's called as the motor. So now we will try to connect these out like this. And now our circuit has been completed, but we need to attach one ground as well because ground is very necessary. Without ground, our circuit is not going to work at all. So now we can see that. Okay, so our motor is there, our power supply is there, our button is there. Now with the help of this T sign, we will try to run it out. Now you can see that our electrons are flowing, but our motor is not turning, and with 0 RPM, that is revolution per minute. So now what we need to do is to click on this voltage source, go to the properties, and we will change it to like 6 volt. Okay, so now we will run it out, and now you can see that our motor is spinning at 150 RPM. Okay, after some time, like from 50 to 100 and 150 then. So it used to operate on 150 RPM. So we can even control the RPMs by reducing the voltage. Okay, so our RPMs will be down. So now can we go for this thing? Yes, we can try it out. So it is 5.84 now. Now I can see that our RPMs are just 134 RPM. Why it is so? Because our voltage is low. So in this way we can use our DC motor with the help of everycircuit.com simulator. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.